Are you looking for a survey platform that gives you detailed data to build better surveys? Look no further than SurveyAnalytica, a powerful AI-driven survey platform that lets you build personalized surveys with custom logic. In this video, we'll compare SurveyAnalytica with other survey platforms across features, quality, pricing, and reviews. What is SurveyAnalytica? SurveyAnalytica is an AI-powered survey platform that lets you build personalized surveys and analyze the results across channels. SurveyAnalytica gives you all the tools you need to build custom surveys in multiple languages from scratch. The AI can adapt survey responses based on user interactions, so you can create personalized survey experiences. You'll be able to mix and match question types and design custom flows to trigger specific actions for unique responses. And because this platform is packed with pre-built survey templates, you can do everything from measuring customer satisfaction to collecting data for research. You can also share surveys across multiple channels via direct links, QR codes, or social media and messaging apps to expand your reach. With SurveyAnalytica, you'll have the ability to control surveys on each platform, along with white labeling capabilities. Plus, you can use integrations to trigger surveys based on specific interactions across different platforms and systems. As you collect responses across channels, you can start analyzing and visualizing your data on the interactive dashboard. Track visitor interactions for every survey, see which questions get skipped, and discover actionable insights. SurveyAnalytica also makes it easy to choose from multiple interactive charts and dashboard designs. That way, you can accurately measure data against business goals and discover new trends. You can even generate reports for your team. If you're running multiple surveys or big projects, you can use advanced collaboration features like teams, versioning, auditing, and locking. You'll be able to define and manage different team roles and set limited access for anyone working outside the platform. Best of all, if a team member adds changes to surveys that just aren't paying off, you can easily roll back to previous versions. Features and benefits of SurveyAnalytica. SurveyAnalytica provides users with a host of features that simplify the survey building process. With custom logic, personalized surveys, and pre-built templates, you can create surveys that measure customer satisfaction and collect data for research quickly. SurveyAnalytica also allows you to collaborate in teams, audit survey changes, and track insights on an interactive analytics dashboard. Comparison of SurveyAnalytica with other survey platforms. SurveyAnalytica compares decidedly against other survey platforms like Qualtrics, SurveyMonkey, and Typeform. At its affordable price point, SurveyAnalytica offers advanced features such as custom logic, sentiment analysis, gamification, team collaboration, and GDPR compliance, making it stand out from its more expensive competitors. Pros and cons of SurveyAnalytica. Pros. SurveyAnalytica offers extensive features that make building surveys easier. The AI-powered technology provides detailed, personalized surveys, increasing user engagement and dynamic data collection. Its interactive analytics dashboard, team collaboration, and GDPR compliance make this platform a reliable choice for survey building at an affordable cost. Cons. SurveyAnalytica does not have some of the more advanced features of its more expensive competitors. Additionally, the platform does not integrate with all major CRM systems, limiting its use in certain contexts. Pricing and overall value. SurveyAnalytica is offered at a bargain price of $39 through Appsumo, making it an excellent value for marketers, e-commerce stores, and SaaS companies alike. With its advanced features, personalized surveys, team collaboration, and interactive analytics dashboard, SurveyAnalytica offers better value for money than its more expensive competitors, making it a savvy choice for those looking to build effective surveys on a budget. Buy Appsumo SurveyAnalytica lifetime deal for $39. SurveyAnalytica is best in class when it comes to survey platforms, combining custom logic, personalized surveys, and AI technology, making it truly unique in the space. With affordable pricing, team collaboration, and an interactive analytics dashboard, SurveyAnalytica offers superior value for survey building than its more expensive competitors. If you're looking to build effective surveys that deliver valuable insights, SurveyAnalytica should be a top choice. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to SurveyAnalytica today. One-time purchase of $39 only.